Enterprise.
Yeah. So as in the standard cycle, you have seen there are certain things which were executed by sales, TM, and procurement. So we will need all those in our enterprise structure, starting with finance.
Yeah. So as Adi said that although we are working on the TM side, but to make a system work, because it's a SAP system, which is an integrated system and multiple modules integrate with each other. So you will not be use our system or another sandbox system until unless you do a integrated configuration. So here we'll be letting you know that how you can make a system ready for whether our system or any other sandbox system make ready to use for the TM processes by configuring the finance side, SD side, MM side, the basic part, and the TM configuration. So if we start the enterprise structure from the finance side, what you would be requiring, you would require to have a company code, controlling area, then company code parameters, currency settings, posting period variants, and your GL accounts and settings related to GL accounts, because without GL accounts, you will not be able to post anything. So GL accounts related settings. So these are the things which you will be requiring it. We are not going to do each and everything here. What we are going to do, because our purpose is not to focus on the finance configuration. So most of the things from finance, SD and MM will do the copy. I will show you that which company code you should refer whenever you need to do a copy. So we'll be doing a copy and we'll focus more on the TM side, which is our basic area. So finance side will require this configuration. Then we'll also require SD configurations. SD, you need to create your sales organization. You need to create your distribution channels, divisions. So that basic enterprise structure, you need to set it up from the SD side. From the procurement side or from the MM side, you need to set it up plant, storage location, then your purchase organization, and the ML part would be common. So once we create the plant in the finance, we need to, in the CO part, we need to activate. That's a very important step. Otherwise, you will not be able to use plant in SAP S/4HANA. So any plant you created, if it need to be used for the inventory posting, you need to activate material ledger for the plant. Is mandatory. This was not in ECC. In S/4HANA, you need to activate material ledger once the plant has been created. So once this basic configuration has been done for finance, MM side for the service PO related stuff will require the MM configuration. To integrate your sales order part and the delivery part with the TM, we require a SD configuration. And finance is linked with the MM, SD, and your TM through the settlement documents. The finance will be linked. So finance configuration would also be required.
No, but
Now coming to TM. So Adi, you need to help me here.
In the conventional world, these are all done by the respective teams, correct?
This is all done by respective teams. That's right. If you want to use the sandbox system, if you want to use the system which we provide, you need to follow the steps which I will be showing you today so that you can use the system.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Okay.
for
Otherwise, you will
transportation
not be able
management,
to use that system.
yeah, sorry, we need a company code. So even though it is part of the S4 side, we just have to do that PPOME where we create the orgs, staffing element and org elements, which could be replication of the same thing, but we have to do that part. Then we need a sales organization. we don't care about distribution channel and division. It's not care. It's the meaning is different in transportation management. That's why it is not created. The purchase organization would be required because we are going to do some procurement of services or the various services we would be getting and taking it from the supplier. So purchase org would be required. So these are the three organizational point of view, three areas where we need it. There is a planning and execution area as well, but those can be what you can say a staffing level of units which would be created in transportation management. Planning group would be used and execution group.
So definitely our focus would be here, where basically these things will be discussing in detail, TM, but this is some of the mandatory things you need to put it in the system to make system work. So this is the things which we are going to configure today, and then we'll also do the configurations of PPO-ME if time permits, and see that the basic enterprise structure we can complete it creating today. So I will not go into the detail what is company code, what is controlling area. I will just show you how to make your system ready to run an end-to-end TM scenario. Let me jump into the system.
So the PPO-ME is a T code, okay?
PPM is a T code, right?
Yes, it is a transaction code. So guys, we would be creating a company code and specifically this would be the standard way of doing it. So as of now, I'm going to just go to this. It's always recommended to go via this way. Copy the structure. So 1710 is what company code I am going to copy into AD01. Yes.
You mean ADI01?
Yes,
Yeah.
Adi. So thank you, Adi. I think my network got switched and I was just speaking to in the air.
No, that's okay. So I'm just
No,
using.
no. Okay, put USD only. We don't want to change the currency.
Yeah. So basically we are utilizing or using the standard company and copy that, and whatever we want to change there, it's our area and we are not disturbing the standard scenarios.
So this 1710 guys is a best practice company code for the US, which comes with the best practice client. So this system is a best practice client. 1710, all the things which start from 17 is related to US best practice. So you can copy from 1710, or another company code which I have created is SG05. That also you can use it to copy, or once this AD01 is ready, enter, not cancel. No, Adi.
Wait a moment. Okay. It is completed.
Okay, maybe number range part would be which will be left. Okay, that's fine. We'll do it manually, that part which is remaining.
Okay. Number ranges. Oh, the individual number ranges. Okay.
Okay, leave it. No, leave it. We can go ahead. You can go ahead.
So the company address is still the same, but I just changed the company code name so that we should be able to refer that for everybody. Okay. Parminder,
Next week. Okay, let me take it from here.
Mhm.
You need to stop sharing.
Yeah.
SAP reference IMG. So we were doing an enterprise structure. So Adi has already created a company code AD01. And then next thing which I will be doing, I will quickly create a plant. So plant also I would be copying it. Again, I am copying it from plant 1710 to the plant AD01. I will create the plant. So when you will be doing a copy system, in this messages system propose you that what should generically you should be doing, yes or no. You will see that red mark, right? So we'll go with that only. The number range, we don't want to transport it. We'll quickly copy the plant. Let me create a AD01. So it has been copied. The plant is ready. Let's quickly check. Just name AD01 plant. This is my AD01 plant. So we have copied the plant, so that is ready. And now I quickly create the sales organization. Sales organization also I will copy. So I will copy from 1710 to AD01 is the organization number from us. So when now next scenario will be running, we'll be using this AD01 company code is AD01 plant and the materials related to that only. Sales organization has been copied. Okay, let's move
But
ahead.
you had to extend all the materials to this plant and sales orgs, right? The
No,
standard.
we'll create our own materials. Wherever we required, which type of material, business partner, everything will create our own. Distribution channel, please don't copy the distribution channel. You can do the copy, but there is an inconsistency in the system. After copying a distribution channel, you are not able to extend that sales area to the materials. So that is the inconsistency which we have noticed, and we have not found any SAP note to fix that. So just define your distribution channel. That's it. So I will create a new distribution channel, AD. AD distribution channel. It has been done. Sales office, sales group. Adi, do you require sales office, sales group?
No, not
Okay.
now.
Story location would already been created because we have copied the plant. So let's check. Story location would already be there. So these are the story locations there. If you want to create new entries, we can also create a new entries here. But these story location 171A, 1B is there. Let's also create a story location here with AD itself, AD01. I will create inbound and AD02. Let me create a outbound story location and save it. Let's maintain the purchase organization. Purchase organization, I'm copying it from here. 01 to 8001. Save it. So this has been done. Let's also create our shipping point. Copy the shipping point. 17102 AD01. Okay, that is also done. Plant maintenance we don't require. Let's do the assignments now. All the definition has been created. Let's quickly do the assignments. So the first assignment we need to correct is your plant to company code assignment because we have copied it. So our plant, which is AD01, you can see it is assigned to 1710. So I will delete this entry. Valuation area grouping we need to change. That will change it separately. I will say yes. Entry has been deleted. Save. And then now I will introduce a new entry. AD01.